Hi, this is Dr. Diaz again with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. What we're going to do today is we're going to have show you an extremity adjustment. So we're palpating here within the metacarpal region. I want you to relax for me. Lean back just a tad for me. Good. Relax here. We're going to adjust right here through the elbow as well. Good. Okay. Let's go right over here. Relax for me here. Good. Good. Relax right in here. Good. All right. Thank you very much.